In a remote Alpine basin, a lone hiker confronts a sudden blizzard that robs the trail of color and sound. The guide shows how to quickly choose a windward shelter spot, improvise insulation from pack layers, and conserve body heat while rationing energy and water. An expert shares real-life mission lessons emphasizing flexible planning, improvising with micro-shelters, and adapting routes when storms shift the landscape. Viewers learn to read terrain and ice, test footing, switch to emergency bivouac, and maintain calm to protect progress. The takeaway invites curiosity, regular practice, and turning setbacks into skill that strengthens every outdoor pursuit.